The winner is Rose.
So we've had a wonderful day here. Accrington Stanley have been at St Christopher's High School today in Accrington. We've given out footballs, we've given out a £50 prize to Rose, well done Rose, and we've been talking about diversity and to encouraging children to put aside the differences and come to support Accrington Stanley Football Club.
So when I went into the academy I was a little bit nervous. Okay, I'd been on trial at other clubs, Burnley, etc. And I loved it at Accrington. I was accepted for who I was.
You've got the month of Ramadan, and where all the Muslims fast from dawn till dusk. So from just before sunrise to sunset.
If you fill the capacity, you're going to see a lot of your friends there. And it's an important place to be on a weekend where you can come down and have some fun and also get involved in what is a family-friendly club.
Because ultimately, we've got a lot more in common than what divides us and what makes us different. So that's why we're going to invite you and we're going to share the details with your teachers to enjoy what the events we're going to do. Because ultimately, we want to expose you to things you might not have seen and hopefully you learn something.